Kung di mo siya kilala, di ka mag-aakala na ang lalaking nasa TikTok videos ay isang superintendent pala. Hatid niya ang nakaka-good vibes na karisma na nagtulak sa iba na gayahin siya. Sa kabila ng patong-patong na tungkulin bilang isang pinuno, nagagawa pa rin niyang pag-aanin ang trabaho at pasayahin ang mga tao gaya na lamang ng mga videos na ito.
Imong dugo, tay.
Wakoy dugo.
Ikaw bitaw nagpatuli sa kuha, tay.
Wakoy tuli.
Ngunit sa likod ng kwela at saya, sino nga ba ang nag-iisang SDS Mendoza?
Si Sir Lawrence ay mabait. Maka-Diyos! Siya ay masipag.
Family man, a down-to-earth person.
A God-loving man.
A dynamic yet considerate leader.
Sa pagstay ni Sir Lawrence din sa Davao Occidental, never jud kunya gikasab-an as a utility workers and more pagid siya naghatag og advices sa kuha. Inana kabuutan si Sir Lawrence.
Very workaholic din si Sir. From security forcer, nakita na mo yung sa kadedicated ka sa imong work. Hindi kami mag-duty, naka-un. Pagka-out na po na mo, naka-un pa din.
Superintendent Mendoza, for me, is a leader who leads by example and a hands-on leader. Believe ako sa kanyang presence sa lahat ng mga programs and activities. Maliit man yan o malaki na activity and program, nandyan talaga si Sir Mendoza para i-inspire yung people on the ground. I really appreciate and salute that, Sir Lawrence. And yung work time ni Sir Lawrence, na kung ikaw yung subordinate niya, mahihiya ka talaga na hindi magtrabaho kasi Sir Lawrence work beyond what is required sa kanya, lalong-lalo na sa time. Superintendent Mendoza, isa pong malaking karangalan na kayo po ay aking natrabaho. Mabuhay po kayo.
Para kay Sir Lawrence, ang mga pangako ay di dapat napapako. Buhay na patunay rito ang kanyang mga nagawa sa loob ng 3 taon bilang tagapangasiwa sa tulong ng kanyang matinding suporta sa mga programa.
My transfer from Sarangani District to the Division Office is a very meaningful one. It opens many opportunities and possibilities. The reading program is really a big challenge for all of us, especially for me. And I thank everything, all the support given by SDS Renz, Master Renz, for that note. From the very beginning, si Sir wala gid siya nagpabaya. In all aspects, Sir, this is what we're going to do, this is the plan, these are the challenges, these are the treatment, these are the things that we're going to do. All of those things made possible because of you, Sir. We ventured to different institutions like SPAMAS, and thank you for that, Sir. That's how we sustained our 3 Rs, especially our 3 Rs. With this opportunity, the Region 11 reading coordinators appreciated our 3 Rs as we presented this in the whole region, and that's because of your guidance. As you go along with your new station, Sir, I promise you, with the rest of the team, that we will continue to soar high and make our reading program the best in Region 11. Not just a reading program, but also in early language literacy and numeracy.
Sir Lawrence, as our SDS, dako kayo iyahang tabang sa Division of Davao Occidental. It's timely nga niabot siya and he introduced to us the digitalization. Ako, personally, naglisod yung kong connect when it comes to technology. Because of Sir Lawrence, I was able to connect with our teachers, our friends, and others. During COVID times, we hardly connect our instructions, our policies to our teachers. Now, I am already over-connected, so thank you, Sir Lawrence. With regards to our school-based management program, Sir Lawrence motivated so much our schools. In fact, in Malita West and other districts, we have already come up with level 3 in our SBM. With that, all our teachers are all motivated when the leader is also motivated. Daghang salamat, SDS Lawrence Mendoza. Keep up the good work and God bless.
Sir, thank you very much, Jude, no? Dili pa enough ang thank you sa support nga imong gihatag. Bisag bagkalisod na, yes, go gihapon. Dili na nato ihilak, ikatawan na lang nato, no? Ang mga gihatag ni mga blessings sa guidance, sa talk, no? Sa mag-istorya, kanang kuan na ta, sir, casual, and then di itod, fruitful na kaayo ang ato ang mga gi-istoryahan niya, leading into something project, something new project that could help us improve, no, in the delivery of services. Sir, thank you very much.
Daghang salamat, Sir Lawrence, from CIT family. Ang karamalan na ikaw ay aming nakatrabaho. Thank you, Sir Lawrence, from OSDS and SUD family.
Isa sa may tuturing na flagship program sa panahon ni SDS Lorenzo Mendoza ay ang digitalization sa systems and processes ng Division Office at ang digitization sa information dissemination. Di lamang ito nagpadali sa sistema ng sangay, kundi nagbigay din ito ng oportunidad sa maraming personahe na maipamalas ang kanilang galing sa sining at umangat sa kanilang propesyon.
Hi, sir. As the Project Dream Super Admin, I am very much thankful to you for the support and trusting me with this project. Also, for the transformation you made for our division to cope with the changes brought by the digitalization era. Good luck to your new division, sir, ug padayon sa imong pagkamaayo ug pagka-epektibo nga leader. God bless you po.
Si SDS Mendoza, we used to call him Master Renz because he is our mentor in the digital media and events. Siya ko ang pinakaunang naila-ilan ako nga superintendent nga never ko naka-feel og intimidation because considering sa iyahang position, I consider myself as a very lucky dapat employee because yan ang opportunity mo siyang may laila. Maduol mo siya, maistorya mo siya, mahangyo mo siya. He provides us a room to grow and a lot of opportunity to foster our talents and skills, especially in digital media, in support to his agenda of digitalization. Because of his initiative and visions, nailhan ang Davao Occidental as the pioneer in digital media. And of course, nailhan na mo si SDS in front and behind the camera. Yang mga jokes, unsa siya as a person, as a father, as a kuya, as a superintendent, as educator, as a disciplinarian. Especially kami, ako, napay mga panahon nga patambagan ta usahay and kina-consider na mo na nga ina na mi kapalangga ni Master Renz because concerned siya pod sa amoa. His humility and visions creates a ripple effect to the people who he worked with. More power, sir, and good luck to your new station. Thank you so much.
SDS Mendoza means a lot for me. Without him, it wouldn't be possible to experience, explore, perform, grow, learn, and excel about everything sa media. And nagsugod dyan mi sa scratch, o si Sir Lawrence nakabalo dyan na siya ana o nakasaksi. And ako personally, naka-question ko sa akong mind kung saan ako siya pag-start. But because of his full trust and confidence, nabuo ni siya nga grupo. First, nag-scout tag mga teachers kung kinsa na ay potential into writing, videography, editing, and kung usa pa ang ilang mga talents. And we all know that teachers are very talented. And few months later, nakaingon ko nga this is it. This is the digital media and events team. And our first show was about an update of the beginning of the school year, and it was called Padayon, means to continue amidst the pandemic. And that year, 2020, fresh pa jud kaayo sa atuwa ang COVID. But we are so thankful for the response of our teachers and students, especially the stakeholders also. Kasi nag-participate jud sila, even though no, na atay mga kakulangan sa itong mga gamit, like gadgets, o of course, ang internet connectivity. But, nalampasan nato na siya sa team, o ang kana siya, muna siya ang atong isa sa mga challenges that year. And from then, the program continued every quarter until now, no, na nata sa 3 years of giving information and updates through our Facebook pages. From Padayon episodes, we were also launched other programs such as Padayon News, special coverage, virtual Friday Hey, and of course also the SMV vlog of SDS Mendoza. Nag-host po ta sa diri sa Dibad 11 sa pipila ka mga episodes. All of this is because of SDS Lorenzo and also to ASDS Tony, former Chief Nilo Octura, and also Chief Jesus, with also the help of CID Chief Felix I. Anticristo. Daghang kayong salamat sa inyong suporta. In terms of recognition, dili mi katuo nga ang Division of Davao Occidental awarded as National Champion of Ilaw in Media Broadcasting category. Imagine nimo na, no? Pang national jud na ato ang level. Pero because of Padayon program ug ang mga school pod nga nag-participate ug nag-create og broadcast programs, dako kay siya nga impact sa tong division as the bridge of giving informations and updates to the field. Maong daghan kaayong salamat sa mga membro o family sa DME. Maong thank you kaayo Sir Lawrence for these achievements, and also to our heads of functional divisions, section heads, personnel diri sa division office. Dako kay ang inyong suporta nga gihatag samwa. Lastly, to Sir Lawrence, thank you sa pagkamaayo o pagpangga kanamo.
Kahit nasa mataas na posisyon, di naging madamot si SDS Mendoza na ibigay ang oportunidad sa lahat upang umangat.
First of all, I would like to express my sincerest thanks and appreciation to you, Sir Lorenzo Mendoza, for being the leader persona that molded me to become who I am today. I believe that we, the school heads and principals of the whole province of Davao Occidental, should follow your footsteps. Your leadership and guidance helped me to strive even harder to be the best that I can be. As you enter your new station, I am wishing you that you will still be the light that leads the path to the betterment of your co-workers. God bless and take good care always.
Maliban dito, kung may makapagsasabi sa tunay na katauhan ni Sir Lawrence, yaon yung mga taong malapit at palagi niyang nakakasama sa trabaho.
Sir Lawrence, as my boss, blessed kaayo ko na siya ang akong boss. Labi na kay supportive kaayo siya sa amo, maski dili na about sa work. Labi na sa pagskwela, gina-remind mi niya nga muskwela jud and we should never stop learning. Thank you so much sa tanan, sir. Dili na ako maisa-isa, pero kabalo ko unsa ka kamaayo na tao. God bless, sir, and fighting.
Hi, Sir Lawrence. Si Sir Lawrence ang klase ng amo na napakabait, napaka-humble, and napaka-supportive. Siya ang klaseng amo na gusto niya lahat and bigyan ng equal opportunities and get the best out of everyone. Ang katangiang nagustuhan ko kay Sir Lawrence, aside sa pagiging supportive and down-to-earth niya, ay ang pagiging God-fearing. Natutunan at tumatak sa akin na everything has a purpose, everything is in God's plan. We just have to trust Him. Good luck, Sir Lawrence, on your next assignment. Thank you for all your help and all your guidance. God bless you.
It has always been a great privilege and honor to be under the supervision of a great leader. Thank you so much, Superintendent Mendoza, for all the support that you had provided me when I was still in the Department of Education. Thank you, sir, for all the opportunities. I could not forget your offer to promote me to a higher position. Thank you so much, sir, for all the teachings that you had imparted me. Although we may have known each other for a short period of time, but you had always been part of my journey. I am praying and hoping for your good health and happy family again. Thank you so much, Sir Mendoza.
Tunay ngang ang lahat ng ito ang mamimiss namin sa iyo, Sir Lawrence. Saan ka man dalhin ng iyong mga paa, lagi mong baunin ang mga salitang aming mailalahad, dulot ng pusong puno ng pagmamahal at pasasalamat.
Thank you, Sir Lawrence, from us section. God bless and more power.
Hi, Sir Lawrence. Happy last day in Oxy.
We hope that you enjoyed your stay in the province of endless possibilities as you turn our visions into realities.
Thank you for sharing your best with us, sir.
Thank you for guiding us to greater heights. We will surely miss you in our Mandic Convoc with your inspirational and spiritual messages. See you around, Master Renz!
Thank you so much, Sir Lawrence! God bless you on your new journey from personal section! It has been our honor to work with you as our leaders. Best of luck on the new journey you are about to embark on. See you around, Sir Lawrence! Hello, Sir Lawrence. We wish you all the best in your future endeavors and hope that your new journey brings you fulfillment and success. Thank you for being an exceptional leader. It has been a pleasure working with you. See you around!
Thank you for all your hard work over many years. It has helped make this division successful. God bless Sir Lawrence from Record Section!
Thank you, and we are grateful of your support to our programs. God bless you, Sir Mendoza, from HNS! Happy farewell, sir! We are thankful for the patience and support we have received from you. From Admin Section, mabuhay!
Hello everybody! Mayong adlaw kaniyong tanan. O mayong adlaw kanimo Sir Lawrence. Una sa tanan, nalipay kay ko Sir Lawrence nga nagkailan ta og nahimo nga amigo. Sa pagkabalo nako nga matransfer ka isip superintendent dinhi gikan sa Davao Occidental. Nagsagol lang ako pagbati. Una nag-all ko kasubo. Tungod kay dili ka na namo ikauban. O pamista ko ang mga good memories sa atong tandem diha sa pagpangalagan. Ug salamat kayo niadtong tanan sa imong suporta diha sa atong mga tiguha ug paningkamot sa pagpangalagan sa katawhan sa Dios dinhi sa probinsya sa Davao Occidental. Nako kayo ang ako ang pagtuo ka ang imong nahimo dinhi sa Davao Occidental imo pang ipadayon dito sa Davao del Sur o ma-develop pa daghan pang mga tao nga ma-develop pinaagi nimo kay gitawag pang ka sa Ginoo nga mahimong instrumento sa pag-develop o sa uban. Sir Lawrence, nagtuo ko nga bisan asa kay assign sa Dios musyain gyud ka isip mo sa kabituan. O akong mga pag-ampo uban kanimo sa imong pamilya o sa imong dako ka pamilya no sa Davao del Sur. Kung akong panghinaot nga you will always bloom where you are planted. God bless you always.
Hello guys! So hello, natin mi karon sa Abriza Mall. Nga si Father kay nasa department store. Surprise, surprise! Anyway, congratulations Father!
Good luck and God bless to your new station, and I hope you'll reach your goals, you'll achieve your visions to your fellow countrymen, especially the children.
Yay! Hi, ako day. Always expect nga naaragit ni permente sa likod nimo ang mga young adult nara sa imong mga kilit-kilit. Always nga naga-support sa imong mga gusto, career. Wow. Thank you. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Congratulations.
Congratulations.
On behalf of the whole digital media and events team, we wish to extend our well wishes as you venture into new heights. As you start your responsibilities in your new station, we say, padayon to turn visions into realities. Hanggang sa muli, Sir Lawrence!
Mula sa buong sangay ng Davao Occidental, maraming salamat, Sir Lorenzo E. Mendoza. You truly have turned our visions into realities. Hanggang sa muli, sapagkat hindi pa ito ang huli.